These are so pick me. Like, bro, I know what I said. So like when they are like, hey boys, like bro, they don't care about you and bro, I'm lagging. And always like they also need to like try to get back to them and always fake cry like they are like in there, like they are the victim when they are not the victim. Plus they also just plus when the divas try to roast them or make them leave, they just blame it on the diva, like girl. Okay, like girl, bro, like they're so annoying. Like they always are like, hey boys, like bruh, and like boys, kick her out of the GC. Girl, she's only roasting you, not bullying you. And she's like, boy, she's bullying me. Girl, like bro, I keep falling. Like bro, I always like they're so annoying, bro. How many times have I said annoying in this video? So anyways, as if I was saying, they're like they're so annoying. Plus they always are like they always just have the same attitude. Like when they like join the GC, she's like, hey boys, girls too, I guess. Bro, gender doesn't matter. And you can't just compare to boys and to girls. And then like the worst part is like they have like there's two pick-me's, like they're friends, and they also just need to they're just like they help the pick-me. So yeah, and the most worst part is if she doesn't have like the friend and she always have that one boy protector. Like bro. And then they like when pretend like the diva is literally roasting her, and then she's like and then says like the name of her own protector, and then like they defend, and then the defender always protects the pick me bro. Like girl, bro, please stop, I can't. No, bro, I saw you and you just fell on my eyes. Now I have to do this all over again. UGHH. And then there's like that kind of pick me voice, like it's like a cat voice, like girl, you're not a cat, you're a roach. And if they like say like they're so annoying, bruh. Like I can't. There's like this one pick me in my class, and then she did something that crossed the line. I can't tell, but my sister knows. So yeah, and also they like, and then the defenders always protect the pick me like they are the victim for for real. Like bro, she's not the victim. The group is. And then like they betray. And then like the pick me betrays. And then like the pick me betrays the group. Yeah, and so annoying, bro. Like the pick me is throwing me off. Especially the pick me final boss. Bro. She's like, sheesh, I'm so hot. No, sheesh, instead of you're so hot, what about sheesh, you're such a roach. Like, I can't, bro. I just can't. Okay. I swear, if a pick me literally sees this and complains, girl, don't complain in front of my face. Complain in your mind, bro. Cause like, if you're just gonna complain in the comments, then just scroll this vid, bro. Anyways, let's finish the tower without Cat. Hehehe.
Hey!
I can't get up. Okay, there.
Wait for me. I waited for you.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna pause the vid. So I'll see you in a little bit, bro. I can't get up here. Help. Okay, bye, guys. I'll come back. Okay, guys, I fell. So unfortunately, we're not waiting for my sis. Okay, get quiet ka nga. I'm trying to... Bro! Get quiet, please. Get quiet, please. I need peace.
Alright, I'm leaving this game.
Okay, babush. Bro! Okay, be quiet. You're so... Bro! Okay, few. No! That's not a few. Okay, bye-bye, guys.